Sanya, and I'm going to show you how we can combine technical and astrological analysis to predict key levels where the price will be tapping in the future. So here what we can see are the planetary lines. These dark purple dotted lines are the planetary lines, and in between are the expect lines. So I'm not showing many expect lines to really not make it so much complicated. So these are some of the key support and resistance level. As you can see that price was tapping this level again and again, and then finally breaking through this resistance and moving forward to the next channel. So this is how the price is moving, basically taking support at this level and then moving to the next level, breaking through again, next level, moving. So this is how the price is moving through these channels based on planetary support and resistance level. So let's have a look here. This is a weekly chart and we want to predict some levels. So first, one thing is, for now we are looking at this level. This is 34 because price is around 33.80, so we can keep it around 33.80 to 34. And now we look at the technical analysis that if this is the case, the price will go to this position or not. So we have a pendant here. This complete structure is actually a pendant. And then we have to mark the previous demand, and then we forward it based on the breakout of the pendant structure. And here we are looking at that this demand is actually making another demand zone, which is here, and then forwarding itself. So basically it was a supply and then forward itself. So here you can see that the major planetary line was showing a resistance here, which was breaking through it, and this demand level is actually reaching the same price level which is predicted by the planetary line. This is very interesting, and we will be covering it in next lectures, that how it is happening and why it is happening in much more detail. For now I will go for the daily chart, and in daily chart I will try to predict some lower time frame levels, because weekly will take weeks to reach that level. And if somebody wants to do trading at low levels, then they can go for lower time frames. So basically we have a demand here, and then we put it here, double it, because one demand is completed and we don't see any supply coming out of it. We have a second demand here, which was also going up, and there is some rejection, but we again forward it, again double it. So according to this we have a target of 33 around, which is 33. $3,300. Okay, then we go for 4 hours. For 4 hours what we have is here in 4 hours what we have here is actually there is this level. This was actually demand, and then we have again a demand zone which is forwarding it. So I'm trying to clone it, but this is kind of not working here. Let me do it again. Yeah, so we put it here, and then we have a target of 20, 32, 70, or we'll keep it for easy understanding. That's 32, 80. So this is the target for based on the supply forwarding. And if we look at the our indicator again, we can see actually there was a planetary expect line which is rejecting this price action. This is very interesting because if price break through this level, I zoom in. So this was the line which was constantly giving a resistance expect level, and I can move to the smaller time frame to show you how this was creating multiple resistance. So if this level is broken up, because it's the key resistance here, then we have these initial targets of 3280, and the daily and previous and the 4-hour targets I've already given, and we can wind it up quickly. That's basically 3400 to 3380 will be the price channel, which I think that we will be looking at this time. So but price will be taking a lot of resistance inside. It will be going down and then moving up, so this will be happening. So I will cover these things in future.